Hi everyone. The following video demonstrates a simple original 3-loop braided rib stitch. It is easy to knit and remember. The pattern consists of 4 loops and 2 rows that are knitted almost identically. Start by casting on a multiple of 4 plus 1 stitch for symmetry, and add 2 edge loops. The first row is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl the divider stitch. Next are the 3 main loops. Knit the first, knit the third, and slip the second. Again, purl 1. Knit the first, knit the third, slip the second, purl 1. Knit the first, knit the third, slip the second. At the end of the row out of the scheme, purl 1 symmetry loop. The second row is on the wrong side. We will knit almost identically to the first row. After the edge loop, knit the divider stitch. Next are the 3 main loops. Purl the first, purl the third from back to front, and slip the second. Again, knit 1, purl the first, purl the third, slip the second, knit 1, purl the first, purl the third, slip the second. At the end of the row out of the scheme, knit 1 symmetry loop. By knitting in this easy and similar manner on both sides, we can create an attractive and harmonious 3-loop braided fabric. This technique is suitable for clothing and accessories, and it will add a luxurious look to any knitted garment. Give it a try to see how easy it can be. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.